Hey guys, so apparently PEMDAS is trending on Twitter again like it does every once in however long it happens because someone posted another equation that people don't know how to answer and PEMDAS trends like it usually does. So I decided that this is the perfect opportunity to go and explain what PEMDAS is and why it works the way it does, because it's not just the arbitrary thing that some people made up a long time ago. There's actual logic and reason as to why it works the way it does. So for those of you who don't remember, here's a quick recap as to what PEMDAS is. PEMDAS is an acronym that stands for P parentheses E exponent M multiply D divide A addition S subtract. Occasionally there's an LR attached to the end, which stands for L left, R right. So when we look at the order of operations, you start off with the parentheses, and anything that's solved within the parentheses also have to follow the order of operations. But then after we do that, we go into exponents first, and we have to solve that. Then we go to multiply and divide together, but you have to solve that from left to right. Then you go to addition subtraction, and you have to solve that from left to right. Now, of course, for addition subtraction, you can apply the commutative property, meaning that you're able to move the values around. But the thing is, you also have to maintain the sign. For example, if we have 2 minus 1, 2 minus the 1 is the same as negative 1 plus 2, because basically the minus 1 is the same as negative 1. You move that around and you just add that to 2, the commutative property, as long as you maintain the signs for each value. So why do we have to go in this order exactly? So if we think about what exponents actually are, exponents are solved first. So what is an exponent? An exponent is basically a condensed version of multiplication. It's a shorthand for writing out a longer multiplication problem. So for example, if we have 2 to the power of 3, that's actually 2 times 2 times 2. So you're multiplying 2 3 times. But to make a shorthand and easier to read, you basically do 2 to the power of 3 instead. So basically what we're doing is we're taking that shorthand and solving it, and once we solve that, it becomes a number that is at the same, for example, layer or same priority level as multiplication. Now when we take this logic and apply it to multiplication division, we get the same thing as to why we do that first before addition subtraction. So if we think about it, multiplication, let's take for example 2 times 3. I'm going to use 2 and 3 a lot. 2 times 3 is actually 2 plus 2 plus 2. So you're adding 2 3 times. So 2 times 3 is not going to be able to add to, for example, like a random number, which is why parentheses exist in order to separate a multiplication from an addition problem or subtraction problem. That way you end up having to actually like distribute whatever the leading number is. So for example, if we have 2 times 3 plus 4, we can't just add the 3 and 4 first, because the 2 times 3 is actually shorthand for 2 plus 2 plus 2. So in fact, 2 times 3 plus 4 is actually 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4. So this is why we have to do multiplication before addition, because basically multiplication in any situation is just a reduced form of addition. It's just a compressed form of addition. And you can say the similar thing about division, but it's not necessarily a compressed version of subtraction. It's just the inverse multiplication. So basically, it's still at the same level as multiplication. And then, like I said before, addition subtraction, you just solve that. And then if you want to apply the commutative property, don't know why, you can do that as well. So yeah, anyone on Twitter that says PEMDAS is a useless thing or it's outdated and doesn't apply anymore, they're idiots that don't understand math at all. Don't listen to them, okay? So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button down below, click that subscription button and the notification bell if you want to keep up with content in the future, and comment down below what you think of PEMDAS. Do you use it in any way whatsoever in real life? I don't know, you might. I don't, but it's pretty cool to think about. Math is fun in my opinion. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you all have a good day, and I'll see you all next time.